If you're looking to quickly write course launch emails using AI templates, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to streamline the process, save time, and get your course emails ready in minutes using a powerful AI tool. Stick around to the end because I'll also share an exclusive free trial link in the description to follow along with the exact software we'll be using today. Let's start by talking about how AI can change the way you write your course launch emails. Writing emails manually can take hours, but with AI, you can speed up the process while still making sure each email is engaging and well-crafted. The key here is using AI templates that are designed specifically for course launches, so you're not starting from scratch. The first step is to choose a software tool that offers high-quality AI templates. I've tested out many popular options, but the software we'll be using today has stood out as the most efficient. It's easy to use, and the templates are specifically built for course launches, making it perfect for your needs. Once you've logged into the software, you'll want to select a course launch email template. These templates are typically structured to include key elements, an engaging subject line, an introduction to your course, a brief summary of the benefits, a call to action, and a sense of urgency. With AI, you can customize these sections in seconds. The first thing the software will do is generate a subject line based on your course's main focus. You can either let the AI suggest one or input a few keywords for more personalized results. A good subject line is essential because it will determine whether or not your subscribers open the email. The AI knows how to optimize this part for maximum engagement. Next, you'll work on the email body. The software will prompt you to fill in details about your course, such as the topics covered, the benefits, and any testimonials or social proof you want to include. Here, the AI will help you craft the language that feels natural and persuasive while incorporating these elements in a clear, structured format. It'll make sure you don't miss anything important, like including a link to your course or offering a limited time discount. When it's time to add a call to action, AI will give you suggestions for wording that creates urgency. Whether it's sign up now or limited spots available, the AI will provide variations that you can choose from based on your course's tone and audience. Finally, don't forget to include a PS section. Studies show that adding a PS in your emails can significantly increase engagement. The AI will even generate an effective PS based on your course's highlights, reminding readers about the value and encouraging them to act fast. Once you're happy with the draft, the software will also allow you to fine-tune the tone. You can make it more casual, professional, or persuasive, depending on your target audience. This flexibility ensures that your email aligns with your brand and connects with the right people. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Using AI templates for your course launch emails will save you time and energy while ensuring your emails are professionally written and highly engaging. The AI does the heavy lifting for you, allowing you to focus on what matters most, launching your course and connecting with your audience. To quickly recap, here's what we've covered. Select the right AI software with course launch templates, customize your subject lines, use AI to generate persuasive email content, and include a strong call to action with urgency. And remember, take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below if you want to follow along and create your course emails with the software we use today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your course launch.